So one of the questions we get a lot, Dr. Miami, is what is a mommy makeover?
We get that question a lot too. My answer is a mommy makeover is whatever the mommy wants.
That makes good sense. So if they think they need to improve their bust, we're talking a lift or augmentation or a reduction. If they think it's their body, a lipo or a tummy tuck or whatever it is that they need to kind of feel like they felt before all of this, right? Before having babies.
Exactly. And having kids is the best, most meaningful thing you'll ever do in your life, but it can, in many cases, take a toll on a woman's body. And sometimes it's the first kid, sometimes it's the last kid.
That's right.
Just going over like what brings women to ask and look into mommy makeovers, there's a lot of emotional touch points that I've noticed over the years. Obviously, like we just said, when women have babies, sometimes the breasts fill with milk and then the milk goes away, they look a little deflated, or the tummy skin stretches, you get a lot of stretch marks, things don't fit right anymore, there's usually some diastasis to the muscles separate, and some women, they continue to look a little bit pregnant even though they're not pregnant because the muscles never quite go back the way it was. And what I've been told from patients over the years is sometimes that can affect the relationship between their spouse and them in the bedroom because they don't feel as confident in their body. And that's a big part of any relationship and of anybody's self-esteem. So the purpose of the mommy makeover is to restore the woman's self-esteem back to where it was or to make it as good as possible. It could be a breast lift, it could be breast augmentation, it could be a tummy tuck, it could be a Brazilian butt lift, it could be all three at once. Sometimes it's even what you call an extended mommy makeover, right?
Right. Where we talk about women who, even after childbirth, there's some pelvic issues that they have,
right.
And we have ways to take care of that as well and improve their confidence from also a feminine standpoint in addition to their physical body.
So maybe like labiaplasty?
Labiaplasties, we do perineoplasties, vaginoplasties, which is more inside of the vagina to kind of narrow the vagina.
Right.
So all of those things that are definitely part of what I would agree with you is a mommy makeover, because I get that question. There's a lot of confusion sometimes, so that's awesome that we brought that up.
Exactly. So again, the mommy makeover is whatever the mommy wants, whatever the mommy needs, that's what the mommy gets. Because, a happy mom that's a happy house.
That's right.
They say happy wife, happy life, but really, happy mom makes for the kids and for everybody who's in the house, it makes it a much more, what's the word? Pleasant, enjoyable, livable, tolerable. It's a better life for everybody. So, yeah, and so that's and then there's another group of women actually that I've seen in the practice over the years. And it's women that maybe their marriage didn't work out and they're kind of trying to start a second chapter and they want their confidence back. And a lot of women come in at that stage of their life as well for the mommy makeover. In any case, each individual person has their own reasons. Whatever they are, come in, speak with a plastic surgeon, and we'll give you some options. And if you're in the Southwest Louisiana region, anywhere between New Orleans and Houston, you don't have to fly to Miami. You don't have to fly to Beverly Hills or New York. You got great surgeons here. You can check out the work doing mommy makeovers, extended mommy makeovers every day, right? You guys operate every day, pretty much?
Every day of the week. Except Saturday, Sunday, only because my wife won't let me.
Well, my wife won't let me either. Yeah, so that's the long and the short of the mommy makeover.
Awesome.